All right, so I had to record this video because I was looking for this video and I could not find it. I kept finding different versions that didn't align on how to transfer Pi from the mainnet to an actual exchange that you can, put it on the exchange and do what you need to do with it. So I was like, okay, if I'm looking for it, I know somebody else can benefit from it as well. So let me share this because in the US, it's limited on what platforms actually allow you to transfer Pi to and then maneuver it as you wish. That being said, what you want to do is you want to download Pionex. That's Pionex. Pionex. Download that app that should be available in your app store, and it'll say Pionex US specifically because not everyone accepts US for whatever reason. That being said, once you have it, you will have to verify your account. And basically all that is you uploading the image of your ID. It's like going through the KYC process, which you already may be familiar with, but you're uploading your ID, you're putting in your text ID number, taking an image to just show that it's you. Once you've been verified, then it unlocks your ability to be able to deposit things into your account. You'll be on your main screen and you'll click right there where it says deposit. Once you select deposit, you're going to go down to where it says cryptocurrency received from exchange/wallet. Once you go here, what you're looking for is Pi because that's the crypto that you're going to deposit. Then what it does is it tells you to select the network. You select Pi and then it gives you your actual address. You copy that address because that's the address you're going to paste into the mainnet on Pi network. So that way you can go ahead and get the deposit done. I've already done this, but I just wanted to show you how to access it. So now that you have that copied, you go to the mainnet and let me bag out of it for a second. And once you go to the mainnet, you'll see what your available balance is. Make sure you have something in your available balance. Otherwise, you have nothing to deposit if you don't have an available balance. They had a time frame where they allowed you to decide how do you want your Pi to be distributed. I chose to allow half to stay locked up for the next, I believe, 3 years, and then allow half to be available. It would have been way more than this. However, it was based on how many people actually did the KYC process and other things. So that being said, I chose to have half to where it was available to be used. So here we go. Now, once you're on this page, you're going to click where it says pay request. And you can see I already did this twice because I was just testing it out with small amounts because I'm like, okay, let's see if this is legit, see if I can make it happen. So you see I did 0.10 pi. And then again, I did 5.15 pi. But I want to do a little bit more now because in order for me to transfer it to another exchange, it needs to be a larger amount based on the gas fees that is going to hit me with. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and do a video because I know somebody can benefit. That being said, let's go ahead and click on pay/request. And you're going to click manually add wallet address. This is the wallet address that we just copied. So we just copied that wallet address. We paste it right there. And then you select how much you want to send over. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and send over 20 pi. This is the largest that I've sent over, but I've tested it out twice. So I just wanted to say, okay, let's do this for the sake of the video because I know a lot of people can benefit. 20 pi is what I'm sending over. Now I have my wallet address. Make sure it's the exact wallet address that you've gotten from the Pionex app. And then from there, you just hit send. Right here is going to say you're about to send 20 pi, sending to, and it has an abbreviated version of your address. Recipient gets 20 pi. The fee is 0.01 pi. You click confirm. Once you hit confirm, it says transfer succeeded. Now, I've seen different videos and other people had error messages and everything, and they were still acting like it went through successfully. You can see where it says transfer succeeded. Please refer to the history page for the full history of the transaction. So you hit close, and what we're looking for is the history of the transaction. Is it showing? Yes. You see the 20 pi, the same thing that I just sent over is right there. So the 20 pi has been sent over. Now you want to wait and see when it lands into your Pionex wallet. Now, as you can see, I just got the notification that says crypto received successfully. You successfully received 20 pi. You can check the details. So I already got the notification. That took every bit of 10 seconds maybe. So now I'm back at Pionex, and you see my balance went from like $3 and some change to $18.59. I sent over 20 pi. Right now, pi is less than $1. So if you do the math, then it all makes sense. I was able to send over about $15, give or take. So now I'm at $18.58. That's how you transfer the Pi. And now you can see that you can use PiNext to transfer Pi into the PiNext app. Now, the next thing that I did, if you're trying to go ahead and, put it to use, you can click on buy/sell. In the bottom of the screen, you'll see buy/sell. So you click on buy/sell. You see it already has Pi selected. The available amount is 20 Pi. And you want to make sure it has sell selected. Mine has it already selected because I've done this one time before. But you want to make sure it has sell selected. I'm selling all 20 Pi. Now, you see it's Pi USDT. So when you sell this, it's going to convert into USDT treasure, or tether rather. And once you have that tether, now you can send the tether to whatever platform that you want. You just got to get it out of the Pi network in order to do so. So I'm doing sell, maxed out how many I'm trying to sell, and I'm about to hit sell Pi. It said, please input the price. So what I did was select current. When you hit current, then it's going to change what the price is. So say I wait 5 minutes, and crypto is always fluctuating. So when it says, please select price, you can just hit current. That means you're selling it at whatever the current price is. Sometimes it might go up, it might go down. But if you don't care about that because it's just moving a little bit, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to hit current again and then hit sell Pi. Let's see what happens. It says created successfully. So this transaction has been created successfully of me selling 20 Pi. Now it's currently showing in my orders, meaning that it hasn't fully processed yet, but it's showing in the orders. So here shortly, I'm going to show you when it's actually reflecting in the USDT balance. All right, so it took less than 2 minutes, and now you see orders is zeroed out, meaning that it has already been transferred over. So let me click on the count. Initially, I only had, a few dollars in the USDT, and now it's showing the 1856 in the wallet in the form of USDT. From here, if you're familiar, you know what you can do. You can just take the USDT and transfer it to any other preferred exchange that you like. Hopefully this helps you. If you need more than this, just let me know. But I was looking for this video and no one had it. And now hopefully this helps all of those who are like me, who was looking for this exact video of how to transfer from the Pi network, put it on the main exchange, put it into a currency like USDT that can be transferred wherever you want it. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.